Casper with Ghost Watches, and we're back with the Melbourne Burnley watch. Just got this in here today and I want to get this on wrist, so let's size the bracelet. Straight away I'm seeing that we're working with just some basic screwed in pins. This should be really easy to size. First step is to figure out how many links to take out. I think I'm going to start with about 2 links per side. The screws do require a decent amount of force to get them unstuck. I don't see any Loctite on the screw ends, so there must be some really high tolerances here with machining of these screws. Taking extra care here not to scratch the bracelet with the edge of my screwdriver here, making sure the screwdriver goes cleanly into the opening. All right, one side down. Let's give it a test. Let's give this another test. I may have to take off another link on each side. Seems to be the case most times that I size a watch. It's a trial and error process. One little trick that I've learned is when you're putting a screw back in, any screw, it doesn't have to be just this one, go ahead and give it a couple counterclockwise turns. What this does is it lets you know that the screw is seated properly. You'll hear a little click, and then you can go ahead and turn clockwise. That way you know that the screws are lined up in the hole properly, and it's not going to strip anything when you tighten it. I think this is just about right size. Oh yes, there it is. As I'm noticing here, when you do the wrist test on this hidden clasp, it doesn't pop the buckle. I think this is going to be a good wear.